Welcome back everyone. In this tutorial I'll show you how to know if someone blocked you on WhatsApp. Firstly, check their last seen status. Just open WhatsApp and locate the contacts as chats or start a new chat with them and look under their name at the top. If you don't see their last seen or online status, it might mean they've blocked you or they've disabled their last seen for everyone. Secondly, look for profile photo and status updates. If their profile photo disappears and you can't see their status updates, you could mean that you've blocked or they restricted those settings. And finally, watch the check marks in chats. Once gray, two check marks means your message was sent but not delivered. Normally, you should see two gray check marks once delivered and two blue check marks when read. If your messages only show one gray check mark indefinitely, you might be blocked. And that's it guys, thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.